Let's start with ABC. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Letters in a row, watch them grow. D, E, F, and G, H, I. Join along, don't be shy. Building words from sounds all around. A, B, C, come sing with me. Words and verbs so easily. A, B, C, let's learn and see. Grammar, rules, and vocabulary. J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Letters big and small you'll see, forming proper words in the herds. Q, to R, S, T, U, V. W, X, Y, and Z. Learning all the days in our ways. A, B, C, come sing with me. Words and verbs so easily. A, B, C, let's learn and see. Grammar, rules, and vocabulary. To R, S, T, U, V. W, X, Y, and Z. Learning all the days in our ways. A, B, C, come sing with